Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this episode, we'll explore the nudge menu and show you how to use it for making precise adjustments to your guidance lines. This feature is particularly helpful for fine-tuning guidelines to match changing conditions or for aligning them when returning to a field in the next season. The nudge function is especially useful in scenarios such as working on uneven terrain where slight realignments keep your implements on track, operating in complex shaped fields where you can align the guidance line to the tractor's current position. To access the nudge menu, click on the nudge menu icon in the right navigation bar within the guidance menu. Here, you'll find options to shift your current guidance line, save the adjusted guideline group, apply GPF drift compensation, and set additional nudge options. In the nudge options, you can set the distance for each nudge and adjust the total nudge offset, which shows the cumulative shift. If needed, you can reset the total offset to 0. Additionally, like in the previous menu, you can nudge your current guideline left or right. While a nudge is applied, the iMonitor will notify you to keep you informed of any active adjustments. For convenience, you can assign via the aux-N control the nudge function also to physical buttons on the armrest or virtual soft keys for quicker access. Instead of nudging in single steps, you can align the guidelines to the vehicle current position via selecting Nudge Guideline to the vehicle's position inside the nudge menu. This is particularly valuable when a recorded AB line needs to be nudged for precise start of in-field activities. If your tractor isn't equipped with the RTK accuracy, occasional GPS drift may cause the guidance lines to shift due to satellite positioning changes. In these cases, use the GPS drift compensation to realign your guidance line without resetting the entire setup. You can adjust manually or use fixed reference points, like flag markers in the iMonitor. To edit a flag point, tap on the map, hover over the flag, and select GPS drift correction from the additional options to reposition accurately. If you ever need to reset the guidance line to their original position, open the nudge menu, select GPS drift compensation, and select Reset GPS drift to remove all manual adjustments and revert to the original GPS coordinates. That's it for this nudge menu tutorial. Check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on using the iMonitor.